In a sunlit workshop, a clockmaker unthreads gears to craft a bird that sings when the hour strikes. He engraves a forgotten letter into its chest, so every chirp carries a remembered promise from long ago. The city outside eases into dusk as the clockwork creature perches on a window, eyes like polished brass. People pause, hearing the melody of memories, and the maker smiles, knowing small acts outlast hurried days and restless nights. When midnight tolls, the bird returns to his pocket, a quiet vow ready to fly again tomorrow.